New Year, everybody in the Philippines. It's only 10 a.m. here on the Central Standard Time, but it's New Year's in the Philippines. Yeah. I love you too. I'll insert the New Year party right here, guys, from the Philippines. Woo! Happy New Year! Yay! Happy New Year to you too. Happy New Year! Haha. Yay. Happy New Year, guys. Woo. Mayang bagong tuig. Maayong bagong tuig. Happy New Year. Yeah. I have to celebrate with you guys because I won't be up for my New Year. Happy New Year. Yep, I'm celebrating now because I won't be able to celebrate my New Year here. Funny. Happy New Year. Woo! Yeah, we're bringing in the New Year, everybody, with the Philippines right now. It's 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. It is now January 1st in the Philippines. Yay! Bringing in the New Year, everybody, with the Philippines right now. Happy New Year, Philippines. It's New Year's Day, January 1st, 2023. Still working. No day off. Don't have far to drive today, though. Crossing into Illinois out of Wisconsin. Heading down to Rochelle, Illinois to park for today. Yeah, just jumping on the Illinois Tollway here. But Happy New Year, everybody, from Chu and I. Woohoo! January 3rd. It's like almost 60 degrees out for January 3rd. Just wow. Very foggy. Just gotta get out here and get onto the highway. deliver almost into downtown Chicago area. Alright guys, let's hit the road. Again, it doesn't really do justice on the GoPro, but damn, it's a lot worse than it really is. Or I mean the other way around. It's a lot worse than it really looks, I guess I should say. Showing 52 degrees Fahrenheit. Good morning, guys. It is January 4th. Waiting for a train here in Chicago. Waiting for a train. Wonder if I should go up there. Come up here, I guess. Hello guys, it's Sunday, January 8th. Just fixing to cross into Michigan. I'm heading home for one last time before my final days here in the U.S. Fly back to the Philippines on February 2nd. So this will be my last trip home before I turn this truck in and prepare my journey back to the Philippines. There we go, guys, just crossed into Michigan. Yeah, I'll probably got it delivered tonight in Grand Rapids, and then I'll be going home for tomorrow to Mom's, and then head back out probably Tuesday. Then I only have like 16 days left, so a couple of weeks they'll have me probably do some local before they have me drive back out to Sioux City, Nebraska, South Sioux City, Nebraska, to drop the truck off, and then they'll be either flying me home or putting me on a bus back home. So I'll be doing some various recordings between now and my departure. Probably try to get out maybe one or two more videos. We'll see how it goes, but I know a lot of this content is somewhat the same, so just don't have a lot of new content for you guys. But we're in New Buffalo, Michigan. I think from here, guys, we'll probably pick you up tomorrow morning when I arrive at home with Mom. So, well, looks like this way station is open, guys. They're pulling us in. They're pulling us in. It's open on a Sunday. It is crazy. I wonder why they are working on a Sunday. We have a posted speed limit of 25 to 30 miles per hour, so gotta roll over these scales here on the road. I think that determines if they pull you over to the main scale or give you the bypass. So we'll see. Yep, they gave us the bypass, guys. So. I don't know why this truck is going so slow. It's going under the posted. Maybe they're busy, that's why. It looks like they do got a out there they're working on, so that's probably why they gave us the bypass. Alright, everything's good to go. Let's get back on the highway, guys, and head on down the road to Grand Rapids. Guys, please smash that like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to Ryan and Chu Adventures. We really appreciate it. Can't wait till we're back in the Philippines, do some more adventures with Chu and I. We do have a trip planned when I get back there. We're going to be going to Siargao, doing some diving. Like I said earlier in a previous video, we got Apple Watch Ultras, which are diving certified watches, so we'll be giving them the test out in the ocean. Alright guys, catch you down the road. Get it home, guys, for the day. It's cloudy, moon. Hi, Bella. Where's Blue? Where's Blue?
Is it Ryan?
Yep. Yep. Where's Blue? Blue, Blue. There's Blue. Hi, buddy. He's so happy to see me. Hi, Blue.
Zoe, that's not.
Hey, shh. Hey.
Zoe.
That was Bella.
Bella.
Yeah. Zoe's quiet, actually. Bella. Shh. Well, Blue. You want to see Brendan? You want to see brother? Yes. Yes. Blue. Yes. Guys are all having fun. Yes. Who's excited to see Brendan?
Those look nice.
Oh yeah. Yep.
I'm gonna fix my plate. He can eat
Oh,
when
okay.
he gets here.
Yep, dinner, guys. What, big T-bones? T-bones, baked potatoes, Brussels sprouts.
Chew?
Oh no, this video.
Oh.
That's how you make a baked potato in America.
The salad.
And the first to think ahead. There's Granger, supplies and solutions for every industry and 24/7 support. Call clickgranger.com or just stop by. Was detected by Soviet radar.
Yeah, he was happy to see brother.
Silver cigar-shaped object appeared over the testing grounds.
Blue.
The Soviets tried to shoot it down. It's highly classified.
Yeah, Brendan, come over for dinner.
We don't know exactly what happened, but allegedly we were able to actually shoot this.
Road again, guys. Boo boos. Bye bye. Yep. Gotta hit the road. Bye, guys. Bye bye. Bye, Blue. I'll see you in a couple weeks. Okay. See you in a couple weeks. see you in a couple weeks. No.
I got Blue will be upset.
Yeah, boo's gotta go bye-bye, boo-boos. Yes, don't be sad. The road, guys, after spending the last day with back home at mom's. It'll be my last time home until I'm done here, so just leaving. I'm starting to run into a little bit of snow already. It's like, yikes. Getting a little bit of flurries. Yeah, I got 16 or 17 days left in the truck. Like 24 days left of this weather. I fly home to the Philippines, guys. Yeah. Nice. Yikes. See, just like that here in West Michigan, it can change from nice, and then all of a sudden, boom, you get this crap. Crazy. Crazy things we deal with. Dang blizzard. Blizzard conditions. Not quite, but I know I'll get some comments down there in this section. Oh, that ain't a blizzard. I know it's not a blizzard. Just saying, guys. But yeah, the snow's starting to come down heavy, thicker. It's all lake effect coming in off of Lake Michigan. Stuff comes down in freaking buckets. Just got to make our way down to Zeeland, Michigan to pick up our trailer at Tyson. Right now I'm just bobtailing. I don't even have a trailer. So, just making our way down there. About a little over an hour drive down there from Greenville, from hometown. But anyway, guys, we'll pick you up along the way. Downtown Grand Rapids, Michigan, guys. Yeah, it's kind of downtown area. Still making my way over to Tyson. Pick up a loaded trailer. Head into Indianapolis. Crazy, guys. As you see, when I left my hometown up there, just a little bit west of there, we ran into like a mini blizzard. Then you get down here closer to, you know, just outside of Grand Rapids, actually closer to the lake shore, and it's like nothing. So weather can change up here just like, you know, a snap of a finger. So just kind of crazy. Just want to show you guys a little bit how, you know, much a difference a few miles can make.